So we completed the usability testing. Once the Scrum team tester, after completion of successful completion of usability testing, then next he perform another test is compatibility testing in non-functional testing. Compatibility testing. Okay. Compatibility testing is also called as, let me note some key points here. Compatibility testing, also called as portability testing. Portability testing, or else we can call this like cross browser testing also. Cross browser testing. This compatibility testing is also called as portability testing, and also you can call it like cross browser testing also. Okay, so now let us go to the point. Okay, see this, I would like to continue this compatibility testing with a few examples here. Compatibility test means during this test, Scrum team tester is going to perform test on the sprint or software by the following: by running it on various operating systems, various platforms, okay, and various browsers. Okay, let me show a small example to you. Let us see this site. This is the site. Let us assume our project is this website. Okay, this website, we need to test this website, either it is working in customer requirement is it should work in the 3 different browsers like Internet Explorer, Firefox and Chrome browser. Okay, let us see here. Now this website is working, Scrum team tester is testing either this website is working in Chrome browser or not. Yes, it is working in Chrome browser. Yeah, it's fine. Now the same he is going to test in the same website. He is going to perform test in the different browser. See here, this is in Chrome browser, no, and the same he is performing in the Internet browser. See, either this website is working in the Internet Explorer browser or not. See, for our as per based on the requirements specified by the customer, he need to specify the testing on different browsers. Testing performing on different browsers is called cross browser testing, or else you can call like compatibility testing also. Okay, it is loading, it takes some time. And based on the available resources, I am performing the I am continuing this tutorial in my mobile, please don't mind. See this website option. See, our website is loading here. Our website is available now. See, it is working in Internet Explorer browser also. Now again we test it on the next browser. Next browser is, see, we tested in, as a Scrum team tester, I tested the website in Chrome browser and Explorer browser. Now I would like to continue the same test in the Firefox browser. See here, in Firefox browser also, either this website is working or not. I already typed that link here, HTTP link of website. So it is loading. Once the loading is completed successfully, then you can get the output, means you can see the website here. It is loading. Meanwhile, you need to notice this here, notice some points here. Compatibility testing is also called as cross browser testing or portability testing. Why we are calling these words means, because it runs in the Scrum team tester is going to perform test on the sprint with respect to different browsers, different operating systems. Now let us see, this is the website I am working in the mobile. This is Android operating system. Different operating systems I don't know. This same website it works in the Windows operating system also. This same website it works in the iOS operating system also. Okay, means in Apple iPhone also this website works in different browsers, and in the computer also it works in different browsers. The same website. Clear? Yeah. See, the page is loading here. Yeah, you got the page. Yeah. So like this, the Scrum Team tester is going to perform test on compatibility testing, or else you can say like cross-browser testing on different browsers and different operating systems. Operating system means platforms, different platforms. Like this, you are going to perform test. Yeah, you received the, you got the home page. Yeah, see here. This is the website opened here in the Firefox browser. See. Clear? This is what I mean about compatibility testing.